Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today you are going to learn a great lecture how to use ChatGPT4. Yes, ChatGPT is an open AI tool which is introduced very recently for conversational engine. So let's see, I have a good idea how to use ChatGPT4. Let's try to implement. Go to Google and hit ChatGPT and hit enter. The first query of the link you just click on here. So the recently ChatGPT4 is launched and updated for more complex question queries to be solved in easy way. So how it is? Try ChatGPT. And here I would like to, once you logged in successfully, in our previous lecture also I have explained very clearly, if you are not watching that video, how to create user account and get a free access of ChatGPT and have accessing this ChatGPT window I have shown you earlier. Now an idea and implementation of, if you want to use ChatGPT4, so you need to upgrade to Plus account. Some subscription fees is there to pay and access more accurately in less time as a Superman. Now using ChatGPT, for here I'm asking ChatGPT to suggest BUSINESS ideas to start business. Correct? Let's ask ChatGPT what it will suggest us. Yes, a few ideas it is considering: e-commerce store, like a online web portal to sell the items, social media agency to creation content and all, virtual event planner, personal fitness trainer, and cleaning services, content creation, and like a video creations and audio ad agency. These all the things will comes here. And online tutoring. As a good subject expert, you just launch this, maybe languages, coding, or maths, or any other subject expert you may try. Remember, important, your research and identify the market needs before starting any idea of the business. And similarly, here I just ask ChatGPT to one more question. My conversation: how to become rich? All the persons need money, no? See how ChatGPT will suggest us? Yes, it's a multi-factored goal, which is a complex, to become a strong and rich. Strong work ethic. Educate yourself of powerful tools achieving success. And invest wisely where it is required as a professional way. Build multiple streams. Live below your means. Surround yourself with successful people. And yourself, like what the impact you are doing. Motivate yourself. Stay motivated and focus achieving. And see how two suggestions we are getting from ChatGPT to make the things possibly and moving a step ahead in our career. So why don't you try today? Harisystems is also offering best online courses to learn in software industry. You are interested more means try below link, watch the demo lectures and enroll today. Thank you.